I'm Dan Gookin, author of these books on Word, and here's today's Word tip.
Inserting one document into another sounds painful.
Well, not really, Danny. It's an old technique going under the name boilerplating.
Like in The Matrix.
Yeah, like that. Man, you're a nerd.
Thanks.
As an example of boilerplating a document, say you have a common disclaimer or other paragraphs that appear in various documents. While you could include those items in a template, sometimes this approach is ineffective. Boilerplating makes more sense. As a more specific example, consider that you're combining separate documents, such as chapters in a book, into a final, single, large document. In Word, position the toothpick cursor where you want the other document to appear. There. Click the Insert tab, if that isn't obvious enough, and you're inserting a document. In the text group, choose Object, Text from File. Use the Insert File dialog box to hunt down the file to insert. Select it and click Insert. And there's the other document's text, all neat and formatted just as if it were in the original document.
Is there another option?
Yes, you can also link to a document.
Ooh, pray tell more.
From the Insert tab, Text Group, Object, Object. In the Object dialog box, click the Create from File tab. Now browse for the file to insert. And click Link to File. OK. The inserted object looks just as it did before when only its text was thrust into the document. But click it. Aha! This is an object. It works like an image, but it's still part of the document. Double-click to open the original. And I'll edit, adding a word. And I'll save and close this second document. And you see the object updated to reflect the change. If not, right-click the object and choose the Update command.
Neato!
Right! Further, you can insert other documents, such as an Excel worksheet, which also updates as the object is edited and saved.
That's a cool trick.
Yes, and like many similar tricks, it's well documented in my books on Word. Buy them all today.